It was a battleground of issues, promises and concerns as candidates of different political parties for the Shillong parliamentary seat battle it out at the common platform in Nongstoin, trying to outdo each other and score voters. Here is a report.
Leaders from 4 political parties participated in the campaign. The first to go was independent candidate Lakhon Kama, who expressed concerns for the challenges faced by rural communities. Kama outlined his mission to enhance the educational sector, bolster healthcare infrastructure and create employment opportunities for youths among the development goals. Robert June Kharjarin represented the RDA, emphasized Nongstoin's aspiration for self-governance, citing Wycliffe's Ames tenure as instrumental in this pursuit. Kharjarin pledged to hold his vision, advocating for indigenous rule and addressing pertinent issues such as ILP, Khasi language preservation and border disputes.
Primary school, but keep middle school. Namangite, kaskol jongi bon sen, kim ay ki ka training ka mabyan. Kihikai ki tami subject, haray haka chamber ka tumay, mantangin ay ki ka training ka mabyan. Life project ki training ki naman yahapo ka school. Humde tagi subject, science, math, social studies, English, Hindi, Khasi hai. Kaya yung bon sen hali, baleren, yakay namin ko
Leaders from the NPP, including Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and CEM KHADC Pinyat Singh Siem, rallied support for Dr. M. Ampurin Lingdor, highlighting the development strides made by the NPP-led MDA government across Meghalaya, including Nongstoin. Tinsong challenged rival parties to account for the contributions to infrastructure and hosting development. The Grand Old Party Congress was represented by Charles Marngar, MLA of Mauhati and other leaders. Marngar underscored the Indian National Congress historical initiatives, citing concerns over religious freedom and highlighting MP's Vincent H. Bala's effort in fostering state development.